The NB Network with Dee's Fodder.
Hello, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. What are we doing today? Tamed Wild. Now, Tamed Wild, it says, with love from Tamed Wild. This is, I think they're cute boxes. And I like Tamed Wild. They give you different tools to use for empowerment, for spiritual helps, and altar tools, crystals, and they have a neat theme every month also. And they have a cards with lots of information usually on how to use the products. It's put this, everything in here is put, usually it's to help with a certain ritual or just tools to better yourself and pamper yourself. Yes. And it doesn't. So let's go in and let's learn a little bit about Tamed Wild. All right, now Tamed Wild is, it's one, if you can't afford like a spiritual goodies or goddess provisions, I would say go with Tamed Wild. It's a great deal. It's only $20. But if you only want to buy one box for that month without the subscription, it's only $25. So it's not, much higher. And overall, I always find it's a good deal. You're going to get, they always include one of their really nice herbal teas, which I love, and it's nice to have and to drink. You're going to get different intention, ritual tools, and you always, as I was saying before, get the instructions. Tamed Wild, they do put a lot of care, and you can tell a lot of work into these little boxes. It's like little money, get a big bang for your buck. Let me tell you, you do. So without further ado, let's bust this bitch open. Dun, dun, dun. I don't have any tape or anything on it. It came in a plastic bag. Plastic mail package. So yeah, let's open this up. I don't know what the theme is. I didn't pay attention. Dun dun dun. They see there's the cards. Oh, it's a book. And all right, let's see what this is this month. Okay. So this is calling on earthly spirits. It's that time of year, folks. It's spring and the new growth in life, and there's so much earth. This is like my favorite. I love this time. Being an earth sign. So this is really neat. They talk about how to do so, and then here I find out what is going to be in my box. I don't get the price. They never put prices on here. That's always something I have to research afterwards. See if I can find the prices, because they do have a shop on their website, and quite often I can find the items there. And that's how I'll let you know what the deal is. Now, the first thing we have here is Earth, Animals, and Spirits. This book is by Tamed Wild, and it talks about all sorts of, I saw elves and otters. See, this talks about if you're drawn to certain things and why. What is it that draws you to people who are drawn to elves, people who are drawn towards an octopus, and they talk about different water spirits and mermaids. Really neat. Okay, and this, let me see. Yeah, it's just Earthly Spirits book. It's how you long to speak with wild ones. Rest assured, they've heard your call. Do I'm holding this upside down? All right. Okay, I got this right. Okay. Let's see what else we got in here. Nice little baggie. And this is Tamed Wild. I always like these little bags. Let's see what's inside. Sometimes it's jewelry. Sometimes it's a crystal. Oh, this is a little camel. Look at him. And it's this crystal. Let me see this here. Where did they talk about him? Okay, so, nothing comes into our life by chance, and this stone is no exception. For this ritual, an animal carved from a god has chosen you. No matter if you know a little or a lot about this creature, with practice and patience, we will form a bond and discover the message it carries for us. With any luck, it'll serve as a guide, one that you can rely on whenever we wish to reconnect with the wild. Oh, I love little commas. This is so nice. Oh, wow. It's really, I don't know if you could really see the detail. Let me see here. Focus on the stone, please, so you can see the details. How precious. Okay, so let's see what else we got in here. Huh. I am not sure what that is. Oh, this is a crystal bath bar. Okay. The crystal massaging bath bar by Spirit Element is a self-care tool, daily self-care tool. Also heightens intuitions. It's ideal for healers, Reiki practitioners, tarot readers, mediums, and anyone interested in incorporating psychic abilities. Oh, how nice. There's like crystals in it. I'm not opening this up because it is soap and I don't want to get it messy. Okay. Okay. I wonder what's in here. I do need my... Oh, nice. Nice. I'm getting this done well. Okay. I was wanting a new one. Necklace with the tree. And I was the tree of life. Let's see here. Yeah, tree of life necklace. I told you it was a tree of life. I may be legally blind, but some things I will figure out. I'll take it out so we can see it. Okay, we'll untangle this later. Probably put a different chain on it. I don't know. I have others. Oops. There we go. It's really nicely done. It's very pretty. You can tell this is hand done, made. Let's see here. This tree of life is made from a green aventurine. This necklace is a reminder that all life, no matter how grand or ancient, started as a seed. Depending on our ideology, the tree of life can symbolize a human's quest for knowledge and the understanding that much of what we seek lies in nature. It reminds us of duality, the other world, our ability to transverse realities, and the age-old adage, as above, as below. Beautiful. All right, I like it. Yeah, I like it. Oh, here is the tea for this month. Earthly Spirits Artisan Herbal Tea contains fennel seed, flax, fenugreek seed, licorice root, and peppermint leaf. This is going to be interesting. Okay, and oh yes, a new altar cloth. I love this. This box gives me some of the nicest altar cloths. I get them, and I was thinking, oh man, I want another one. I need a new one. This one is green. Nice. Feels so soft and velvety. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Like, wow. I do like this altar cloth. Having issues with recording. It keeps dying on me. Anyway, it's a great altar cloth. So this is what we got. We've unboxed. Now I'm going to do that research. I'll let you know if we got a deal here. And, yeah, my final thoughts on all the items we got. All right, here are my final thoughts. Let's wrap things up here with Tamed Wild. Folks, remember, this is a monthly subscription that's only $20. When I tell you the pricing on things, you're probably going to be happy, like me. Now, that silver wire wrapped tree of life necklace is $32. The Animal Guides and Spirits booklet, $9. That Tree of Life altar cloth, $18. My little camel, $13. And the tea, $8. That's a total of $93. $93. So I saved $73 and I got some really, really nice things. Thank you. This box just gives me these warm, fuzzy feelings. Warm, fuzzy feelings. You need warm, fuzzy feelings, right? You want to feel like this was neat. I'm glad I subscribed. I am happy with what I got, and I really feel like I got a great deal. Now, this was fun. This unboxing Tim Wild was actually very fun. You guys keep it up over there. You guys are doing great. All right. And now I didn't realize how extremely hungry I was until I opened a little package of combos and started eating them when I was totaling things up. And I'm like, I need to eat. It's like 1:45 in the afternoon. And I had a piece of coffee cake this morning for breakfast. And that's it. I need some food. Anyway, let me know what you liked inside this box. If you want to get it, hey, you can purchase it on Tamed Wild. If you want to subscribe, it's $20. If you want to just a one-time purchase, it's $25. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Oh, I think a little kitty cat of mine wants some attention, so I got to get going. I love you guys. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. I'll see you next time. Bye.